Welcome back to the next video, guys. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH, and this time we've got a pair of active noise cancellating headphones from Prevo, and you will not believe the overall price. Okay, so these are the Prevo active noise cancellating wireless headphones. Now they are Type-C, which is fantastic. Everything should be Type-C. Now it does come with this little piece of paper here. This is primarily for instructions. It tells you how to do the volume up, next song, power on, volume down. Then there is a dedicated button on the headset itself to turn off the active noise cancellation. You can turn it on or off. It does obviously Type-C charging. Then it's got a 3.5mm jack there. And obviously there's this then, which this is what the overall, but there it does Bluetooth version 5.4, it's automatic pairing, 20-hour playback time, it's got a 10-meter transmission distance, it's got a 400 milliamp cobalt battery, it's a 400mm diameter speakers, compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, and it does come with a shock resistant case. So that's where that case is, but then it is wireless as well as Bluetooth. You don't need no cables for it. And quite honestly, for the price, these are fantastic. So let me show you the headset. And it does come in a very nice carry case. And they're the headset. Now, they're not heavy. They do have adjust. That's how far they adjust. The overall coupling here, now they are comfortable to wear. They do feel quite nice, and they're not like you get the really cheap headphones where they literally boing. See, they do take a little bit of time. They do the drivers in there, and then you have the buttons. So like I said, there's got a jack there, which you can just use that to connect up to the computer if you want to. That is the button to turn off the active noise cancellating. Then there's the play button, volume up or forward as well. But obviously to pair it, you'd have to press this. It'll say power on. Put that on. Now to actually pair it, you'll have to press this. Right? Now you press that again. Or you just press this. Power on, right? Now once you do a search for Bluetooth or even wireless, it will come up as the A6-ANCs. Just connect it, and quite honestly, it's quite simple to use. You've got volume up and down, and then you keep your finger on this, then or you press that then to change the track as well. Very simple. It does have an indicator LED there to tell you that when it's powered on, but that's primarily for this. See, that goes on there. Which, to be honest, the build quality, it's fine. I mean, you don't have a lot of play, but I will say they've got a rubber topper here, so at least it's not going to feel uncomfortable on your head. Now, let's put them on and see how they actually, how they sound. Okay, so I've got them on now. They feel quite comfortable, to be honest. They don't have the biggest ear couple, but obviously that's okay. Now, as for like the active noise cancellating, I can't really say as much because I've only really experienced it from the earbuds from Samsung, and they're fantastic. But it does actually have it, and it does sound okay. It does block out the noise. And as for the sound of the headset, so here we go. So what I'm listening to right now is a Crab Riv on YouTube. Sorry, I can't exactly let you guys hear it because it's hard to represent that. So we're getting to the best part of Crab Riv. Right, so they do have bass. It's not the most punchy bass. They aren't the loudest headphones ever. But considering the price point, which, believe it or not, they are £20.95 for active noise cancellating headphones. For that kind of money, they feel and they sound good. Now, the overall speaker sound, Okay, so it's the main part of Crab Riff. If you've ever listened to that, it's very bassy toward the middle of the song. Now, all I'm going to tell you is that the bass, as well as the overall sound and clarity, sounds very good for the overall price range. These sound fantastic for the price. And quite honestly, if you guys are looking for a pair of headphones for your kid, your grandkid or whatever, just a pair of headphones for them to listen to music on, then honestly, I really think these are definitely worth a look. Now, for a business use, you go to Target, they will have them for business use. But if you're looking for them to buy for yourself, then please hit this link that shows up here. It's called backtotheoffice.co.uk. They sell these particular headphones for £20.95. They sell them for the cheapest in the market on Amazon. On Google search, they are the cheapest. I've seen them from £25 to £30 to £40, but for £20, basically 21. Honestly, these are a fantastic value for the money. And quite honestly, you get Type-C charging, you get the active noise cancellating, you do get an audio jack as well. It does have the overall, you can turn off the noise cancellating if you don't like that. They feel okay in the on your head. They're quite comfortable to use, and the sound actually sounds incredible for the overall price range. So, yeah, look. If you want to buy these, I will be leaving the link to back to the office down below. Please check them out, because they do have the cheapest ones currently on the internet. From what I've looked at, they are the cheapest ones so far. And quite honestly, for what you get, I think they're very good value. They're very good bang for your buck. Noise cancelling headphones. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now, don't forget to subscribe, because I have got so much stuff coming. RX 9070. I've got a PC build that I'm doing as well, and I'm also got a deep cool case that I'm reviewing. I've got loads here. I've got an OBSBot camera. I've got absolutely tons of stuff that I've got to get through. So, loads for you guys to watch. I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and week ahead of you. This is Richard for WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.